I guess it ought to be a Fanta bottle, but I guess this will have to do. Woo! Help me clean it off a bit too. Today we're going to be reviewing the cold steel Spetsnaz shovel, modeled after the Russian shovel MPL 50. And here I'm going to read a quote from All's Quiet on the Western Front. The bayonet isn't as important as it used to be, and it's more usual now to go into an attack with hand grenades and an entrenching tool. The sharp spade is a lighter and more versatile weapon, not only to get a man under the chin, but more to the point, you can strike a blow with a lot more force behind it. That's especially true if you can bring it down diagonally between the neck and the shoulder, because in that case you can split it down as far as the chest. It was invented in the shovel was invented in 1869 by a Danish officer, Mads John Butch Linnerman. It was supplied to Austria-Hungary, the Danish military, Germany, France, Romania, and Russia. However, Russia was the only one that recognized the patent. The cold steel variant weighs about 5.7 ounces and is 2 millimeters at the shovel's head. It has a hickory handle, which I actually quite like, and is made of carbon steel, medium carbon steel. Cold steel runs it for $32 US and an extra 8 for this sheath. A little bit here. And I like the sheath a lot as well. And let's get to the field portion of this review. The first half of our field review will be digging a hole. So this shovel was designed for a number of things, and one of them was cutting, as you saw executed with that bottle. Well, we're going to kill my favorite plant here, privet hedge. And, see how fast it does that. Whoa. Well, that was fast. Let's try this one. I don't even have a lot of swinging room here. Cuts right through this stuff. I think I found my new machete. You may have noticed that I've run out of light now, and that I've already hacked up this door a bit. Well, this interior door here that we're going to tear apart, I've already done that once. My phone just stopped recording. So, let's do this again. It is an interior door, mind you, so it's pretty weak. But, at the same time, if you were trying to break through an interior door, it'd be pretty good for it. And Spetsnaz claims that you can throw this shovel into the door, or into anything, really. And I'm not Spetsnaz, but let's see if we can do that. Son of a gun. Well, went through the door and into the tin, so I guess we know we can throw it. I know someone who's not going to be happy about that. But I guess it's my fault for putting that behind it. Pretty good there. This is a handy shovel, and I think it dwarfs most other e-tools on the market as far as usefulness, except for perhaps carryability or mobility, I guess. The only thing that differs really from the Russian version that I can tell is the metal doesn't go all the way up to here. So it can't be used as a pan, but if you need to use it for most other things, it'll work. Hammer, shovel, who would have thought, machete, axe, or a boat paddle. It'll work for all that. I think this makes a better machete than a lot of machetes on the market. There's really not much I could say bad about this. Nothing really at all. If you're wanting something just to collect, or to pretend you're a Jerry soldier or something, I don't know. Great for that. But on the practicability side, it's excellent. It's small, light, compact, but it packs a punch when you need it to. And if you're taking it on a camping trip, hiking, I mean, I can't think of anything else for around here that's good like that. I've had experience with collapsible e-tools, and those experiences have all been bad, but I can't say nothing bad about this. As for the sheath, there's nothing good to say about it, and nothing bad to say about it either. It's just kind of average. If you want something to match the antiquity look of the shovel, though, you might want to try and find something leather. But there's nothing too bad to say about the sheath. I recommend this shovel a lot, and if you want something lightweight to carry around with you, perfect. And unlike Cold Steel's ad campaign, this is greatly developed, and I don't see, other than mobility, why militaries have abandoned this. But if you're wanting to go back to World War I, here you go. Pick one up at Cold Steel today for $32. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. Help me get this channel off the ground. And that's really all I gotta say.